Every breath you take, every beat of your heart, is made of something ancient, something cosmic. The very atoms that make you were once forged in the fiery heart of a dying star. Isn't that an incredible thought? It feels like a recent discovery, something we've only learned through powerful telescopes and complex physics. But what if I told you that this profound truth, this cosmic connection, was hinted at centuries ago in the pages of the Quran? Hello and welcome. Today, we're embarking on a journey that bridges the gap between modern science and ancient scripture, exploring a connection so deep it touches the very essence of our existence. Scientists like the great Carl Sagan famously said, "The nitrogen in our DNA, the calcium in our teeth, the iron in our blood, the carbon in our apple pies were made in the interiors of collapsing stars. We are made of star stuff." It's a beautiful and humbling realization. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it explodes in a spectacular supernova, scattering the elements it created across the universe. These elements, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and all the others essential for life travel through space, eventually clumping together to form new stars, new planets, and, on at least one special blue marble, life itself. Every single atom in your body, besides the most basic hydrogen, has undertaken this incredible cosmic journey. You are, quite literally, a child of the stars. Now, let's turn the pages of history back over 1,400 years to a verse in the Quran. In Surah As-Sajdah, it says, "And he began the creation of man from clay." At first glance, this might seem like a simple, ancient story, but let's look closer. What is clay? Geologically, clay is a type of soil rich in minerals, formed from the weathering of rocks. And what are those rocks made of? They are made of the very same elements forged in stars and scattered across the cosmos. When the Quran speaks of clay, it's not just talking about mud. It's referring to the fundamental elemental building blocks of the earth. The elements found in clay: silicon, aluminum, magnesium, iron, potassium, calcium are the same elements that astronomers find when they analyze the light from distant stars and nebulae. The carbon that forms the backbone of your DNA, the oxygen you breathe, the iron in your blood, all these elements are present in the dust of the cosmos and the clay of the earth. So, when the Quran states that humanity was created from clay, it is, in a beautifully poetic way, stating that we are made from the essential, non-living matter of the earth. And as we now know from science, the matter of the earth is the matter of the stars. Think about that connection. The scripture says we come from clay. Science says the clay, and everything on earth, comes from stardust. Therefore, we come from stardust. It's a stunning convergence of faith and reason, a whisper of cosmic truth revealed long before we had the tools to prove it. This isn't about replacing science with scripture or vice versa. It's about appreciating the different ways humanity has sought to understand its place in the universe. One uses the language of poetry and revelation, the other the language of mathematics and observation, yet they can lead us to a similar, breathtaking conclusion. This profound idea changes how we see ourselves. You are not just a random collection of cells. You are a living, breathing, thinking piece of the universe. The iron that allows your blood to carry oxygen once glowed in the core of a star, billions of miles away and billions of years ago. The calcium that gives your bones strength was created in a cosmic explosion that outshone an entire galaxy. You are not small or insignificant. You are a testament to the universe's incredible power of creation. You are the cosmos made conscious. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you are not just looking out at the universe. You are looking at your ancestral home. The universe isn't just out there, separate from you. It's inside you. The same forces that shape galaxies and ignite stars are at work within your very being. You are a piece of the universe, experiencing itself, wondering about itself, and marveling at its own beauty. That connection is a source of incredible strength and wonder. It reminds us that we are all part of something much, much bigger than our individual lives. We are all connected, not just to each other, but to every star that shines in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through stars and scripture. If this video sparked a sense of wonder in you, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing for more explorations into the beautiful connections between our world and the cosmos. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Until next time, keep looking up.